This is Donna Marr at FADEL, and the following quick tip video will show you how to create assets in Rights Cloud by using the drag and drop functionality. This feature is extremely helpful in the assistance of bulk asset entry into the system. I am in the asset list screen where all assets set up in the system are found. I am going to select the Add option located to the right of the screen. There is now an asset record ready for entry. To the left, you will find the Upload Thumbnail feature. Thumbnails can be entered here by drop image or by file upload. Only image files are accepted, and the specific file types can be found within the FADEL Support Portal FAQs. If you haven't set yourself up with a Rights Cloud community account that allows access to system reference materials, then I suggest doing so. The link to the community sign-up is in the description area of this video posting. Let's start with the drag and drop image feature. Locate the asset thumbnails that you would like to bring into the system. File size limit is 50 megabytes, but it is recommended to use a smaller size, around 5 megabytes. Select the files individually, as a folder drag and drop is not currently available. There also is a limit of 200 assets that can be dragged in at once. One final check before moving forward is to review the file names, as they will become the asset name in Rights Cloud once the process is complete. With the files selected, simply drag them over into the system. From here, you can just populate the required fields of type and status, click Save, and the asset records will generate in the system. If all assets being entered have some additional details that are all the same, for example, rights, then you can enter that information prior to saving, and the assets will save populated with the details. For additional understanding about asset data entry options, please be on the lookout for an upcoming Rights Cloud How and Why video about assets. Upon clicking Save, a message is received asking if you would like to proceed. It also contains an option where the assets, once saved, will show in the asset list pre-selected if next steps such as agreement, project, or group attachment are necessary. I will select the option along with Yes. The assets are now showing in the asset list, pre-selected because I chose that option. You can also see that the names parallel the file names. Additionally, if you remember our rights example, all the assets contain the same details from the asset record used in the creation process. If there are any individual asset specifics, then you can go into the asset records from here to add or edit data. If you do not prefer the drag and drop method, then there is the Browse Link option to select files. The process once files are selected is the same as just reviewed. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you take advantage of the asset drag and drop functionality. As mentioned earlier, please be sure to check out the Rights Cloud community site if you haven't done so yet.